Has washing curtains ever been a task? Let me tell you, after watching this video, you will find it hassle-free to wash your curtains and dry them. How? I will show you in a bit. So this is a curtain that I need to put for wash. It's quite long enough. And can you see the plastic ring that is there on this curtain? So I'm going to keep the folds as I have removed it from the rod, and these things that is attached, it will be safe once I use this pillow cover. So I will put this curtain in the pillow cover. Now I have shown many hacks with the pillow cover, how you can use it. So for that you all can either refer to the description box or the link above. Now I have folded this curtain into half and then again one more fold so that it can fit in through this pillow cover. Okay, and you put it nicely inside so that the fold does not open up, and thereafter you'll just tie a simple knot. This is a round knot, a turnaround knot that I am tying. I take the top, move it around the whole thing and put the knot in this way. Now from here I will shift this to the washing machine. I have added 3 of such pillowcases filled with the curtain, as you can see, and here they are already washed and clean. I will just open the knot to show you all how it looks exactly and how it is intact. The plastic ring is not out of place. Everything is intact in the pillow cover that I have placed it in. I will now remove the curtains and put them on the rod. It will dry on the rod itself without having to fear any of the wrinkles being formed. I'm sure many of y'all must have already used this hack before, and there are many out there who also do not know about this hack. So do let me know in the comments section, what do y'all think about this hack. For those of y'all who are coming here on this channel for the very first time or have visited this place before but have forgotten to click on the subscribe button, so it's a sincere request to please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you'll get updates each and every time I post a new video on hacks or other useful things. So that's all on today's hack. If y'all have any suggestions or requests, please do feel free to send us an email, or y'all can even leave us a comment. So this episode comes to an end. I'll see you next time with another new hack on another new episode.